In this video, I'll show you how to use Mostbet free spin. I can subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. So before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. If you want to use your Mostbet free spin, what you can do, the first thing is to come over to bonuses here. Now, here are the bonuses that you can claim. So, for instance, if you deposit more than $20, you are going to receive a 100% bonus and 250 free spins. So, that's the 250 free spins you are going to receive for free. So, to claim that free spin, you have to bet on accumulated bets times 5. So, to do that, you're going to go over to pre-game and then choose sports that you want to bet on. So, as I said, you have to choose accumulated bets times 5. Once you place 5 accumulated bets or more, then you can be able to use that Mostbet free spin. Now, subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.